And if you not gonna leave, stay out that man phone. Hey, do all that hooting and hollering like Nessa be saying, just to sit back and get drugged again. Stay out that man phone and be delusional. Hey. I feel like to each his own. Marriage means different things for different people. I agree. That's why we having an open forum for that tonight, because marriage does mean different things for different people. Some people is heavy in their religion and they feel like, marriage is a goal. Yeah, I feel like do what you feel is right for you. Oh, hell. Let me go tell that man that he is really loud. Matter of fact, let me leave him alone because he cussed me out last time. He gonna say, dang, I can't even be loud and you outside? Are we team prenup or no? Team prenup or no? I think, I don't know. That's a good question. I honestly feel like I'm not team prenup, but I feel like I'm not team prenup because of the type of man that I'm with. I feel like the man that I'm with, no matter what is going on with us, he's still not going to see me back down bad. He's going to still try to make sure I'm okay. So, oh yeah, now that is true. If you're not married, you definitely need to have all your stuff in order. Don't be out here just lollygagging around and you ain't got your name on nothing. Actually, that wintergreen is not that bad. Is they watering the wintergreen down now or something? Because it was strong at first, but now I can't really smell it. Team prenup applies. Yeah, you definitely don't have to be rich to have something. Because you could be broke as a joke with $1 million life insurance policy or something like that. No, I've heard attorneys say prenups are very much for people who are not rich. Amen. I don't know. I feel like I'm not team prenup. Half of y'all is going 50-50. Hershey, please. Hershey, please. What Miss Rashida say? Dang, I hate when I can't keep up with the comments. It really is not that bad. Maybe because of the Leslie, I don't know. I've been engaged for 8 years, girl. Y'all married. Ain't nothing wrong with 50-50 if you're not married. Baby. It be females that be, you know what I'm saying, doing the most. Whole time, that man is the table. You just sat down. I just need to, I don't know. I just thank God for the man that I have. And I'm I'm gonna just leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone. Sammy, you do what? Maybe do I? Eats down on the not list. Okay, never played. But I honestly feel like in a relationship, and this is just me, for me, okay? I also feel like, dang, I lost my thought. Oh yeah, I also, y'all don't hear me. Y'all don't hear me though. I'm just real. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I can't speak on that. What you gonna do with another broke down person? You gonna build together. Baby, when I tell y'all me and my man had nothing, and that's my man and I'ma stick beside him, me and my man had nothing. And I do mean nothing. Now at this big grown age, would I see it as a problem? Maybe. But when we got together, we both had nothing and we built together. I'm paying these bills by myself. Okay. Ooh, hold on. But for those of us who are blessed and don't have to go 50-50 on the bill, what do you bring to the table? What do you do for that man, or you just the prize? I'm trying to see some. Hey, Kat. I can cook. Jasmine said, I am the prize. I'm screaming. I am screaming. Until women make as much as men, what I bring to the table is null and void. I don't know. I feel like it's a lot of women out here. Okay, amen, amen. You were the homemaker. Okay, ain't nothing wrong with it. That's right. Money ain't everything. That's right. Money is a lot though, cause you gotta have a couple quarters to rub together, baby. Air ain't even free around this motherfucker. But I just feel like men can't come to us and be like, some do. Ooh, they do though. Okay. I don't know what type of men y'all, I can't relate. Again, like I said, this might not be the subject for me because I got to speak from my experience. I got to speak from my experience. I just feel like any man that's coming to you saying, I am the prize, blah, 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 whoop, whoop, whatever, he's not a man. That's still a boy. I mean, enemy territory. No, Jasmine, you're not in enemy territory. I love to get everybody perspective, and that's what I love about, you know, being in a space where it's so many different collectives and it's so many different perspectives. And don't never let that man think for 1 second that you need him. You appreciate him, but you don't need him. Well, I tell that man because I need my man. Okay. I need that man, baby. I need him. Because who about to be a single mama of 3? Not me. We in this for life. I tolerate mine. Knuckles, please. Hey, girl. Women are very emotional. And I honestly think real. I'm not trying to offend no one. I'm speaking for myself. I'm not about to be no single mama of 3, honey. We in this for life. But if you are a single mom, you are a strong, independent woman, honey. Kudos to you. Because, baby, that is not no light work. That is not no light work. Single moms, especially single moms that don't have a village or don't have help or don't have, you know, support, baby, kudos to y'all, because I could never. I mean, I feel like if I was in that situation, I could, but because I have never been in that situation, and I don't want to be in that situation. But I do have a different level of respect for single moms, because, baby, it's hard out here in a 2-parent household. I can only imagine trying to do this alone. So please don't take my comment as offensive. It was a joke. I do have a high level of respect for y'all. I know that's right. Lay your words on the Lord, baby. Sometimes that's the only place you can take them. I left my son, Father. I know that's right. But you know what, Hershey? I feel like you are not wrong. Blah, 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 blah. Baby,